Welcome. If you want to show off your Roblox trading skills or let friends and followers peek into your inventory, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to let your friends, followers, and even people you follow see your trading and inventory on Roblox Mobile. This is a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom right corner and tap the three dots labeled More. This will open up a menu with lots of options. Next, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings. This is where you can manage all your account preferences and privacy controls. In the Settings menu, look for the option that says Privacy and Content Restrictions and tap on it. This section lets you control who can see different parts of your Roblox profile. Now, find and tap on Trading and Inventory. Here's where you can decide who gets to see your trading activity and what's in your inventory. You'll see a few different options, but to let your friends, followers, and the people you follow see your inventory and trading, select the option that says Friends, Followers, and People I Follow. Once you've made your selection, your settings will automatically update. That's it. Now, your friends, followers, and the people you follow can view your trading and inventory details. This is great for sharing your latest trades, showing off rare items, or just connecting with other Roblox fans. If you ever want to change your privacy settings again, just repeat these steps and choose a different option. Keeping control over your Roblox experience is easy and totally up to you. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy trading and enjoy showing off your awesome Roblox inventory.